The current Double 11 has many platforms and so many gameplays that we can't understand it. There is a feeling of powerlessness that my hands can't reach into the screen. However, AI can. Today, we will use DeepMiner to practice. Let it calculate which platform offers the greatest discounts this year. We enter the command first. Okay, now DeepMiner is working. Here DeepMiner presents the details to be confirmed. Then we will clarify the task according to the content of his prompt. Because I am in a collaborative mode, there will be a step-by-step confirmation process. If it is an autonomous mode, it will directly execute the task. As you can see, it plans an execution plan, and we need to confirm whether this plan will work or not before executing it. Okay, confirm. Then, according to the plan, DeepMiner began to call the agents of online search to collect preferential policies from various platforms. On the right side, we can see that the entire process is open box. In addition to the real-time screen, we can also see which tools are called, and the files in the process can be downloaded. From here, it is mainly based on data collection and sorting based on the policies of each platform. So we speed up. Okay, as you can see here, DeepMiner has called the report generation agent to start outputting reports. Okay, that's all there is to it. Now, I want you to output this report in HTML format and see what it looks like. The report first summarizes the preferential policies of these four platforms. Then compare the four analysis dimensions and list the rankings. And then a comprehensive ranking of offers, which is the answer we ultimately want. It also gives shopping suggestions for this Double 11. There are platforms recommended by category and recommended by shopping habits. Those who love to buy can place an order according to this recommendation.